If you've ever struggled with hard, compacted, waterlogged clay soil, you know how unforgiving it can be. Plants grow slowly, roots struggle to breathe, and even earthworms seem to avoid it. But one backyard-tested solution has quietly transformed clay plots into worm-filled, fertile garden beds without digging, tilling, or synthetic inputs. It's called the three-layer mulch system. Built on layering green material like alfalfa, compost, and straw, this method mimics the way nature restores soil, slowly, steadily, and deeply. At Hydrohaven, we tested this approach not out of theory but desperation. Our clay soil repelled water, dried into brick-like crusts, and made planting feel more like punishment than gardening. But within one season, this natural layering system turned everything around. Step 3. Straw, the mulch that seals the deal. The final layer is straw. Not hay, which often contains seeds and weed matter, but clean straw. This layer acts as the protective skin over the compost and green material. It slows evaporation, blocks weeds, and insulates the soil against temperature swings. More importantly, it holds the entire system in place, allowing the decomposition process to unfold uninterrupted over several weeks. In clay soil, straw does something surprisingly powerful. It prevents crusting. Without this cover, the top layer of compost and alfalfa would dry out, harden, and shut down microbial activity. Straw holds in just enough moisture to keep the soil biologically alive, even during hot, dry stretches. It also creates a habitat for surface-dwelling decomposers like springtails, beetles, and mycelium networks, all of which break down organic matter into usable nutrients for your plants. What happens beneath the layers? As the weeks pass, the layers begin to integrate. The alfalfa softens and collapses into the soil, the compost gets consumed and redistributed by microbes and worms, and the straw slowly shrinks into a thin mat as it decomposes. Underneath it all, the clay begins to change. It shifts from sticky and tight to spongy and textured. Root systems can finally penetrate without twisting or rotting, and water moves more freely without pooling on the surface. After just 8 weeks using this system, we were able to insert a garden fork into previously impenetrable clay soil with minimal effort. Garlic and peppers that had previously shown stunted growth exploded with new vigor. By the second planting season, we didn't just have healthier soil, we had fewer weeds, longer watering intervals, and a visible increase in beneficial insect activity. All this without tilling, digging, or synthetic fertilizer. Maintaining the system long-term. To keep the benefits going, you only need to refresh the top 2 layers once or twice a year. In fall after harvesting, pull back any remaining straw, add a fresh layer of alfalfa and compost, then replace the straw. In spring, you'll find the soil beneath dark, rich, and full of life. This simple maintenance routine keeps the soil food web active and ensures that organic matter continues to build year after year. Over time, this 3-layer mulch system becomes more than just a soil fix. It evolves into a living ecosystem, one that supports plant health, stores moisture, suppresses pests naturally, and honestly, makes gardening feel easy, even in difficult soil. If you've been frustrated by clay soil and are ready for a real, lasting solution that works in harmony with nature, this method is worth trying. Start small if you need to. Even a single raised bed or container garden can benefit from it. The results will speak for themselves, and so will your plants. If you found this guide helpful and want more natural gardening strategies that actually work, don't forget to subscribe to Hydrohaven. Share this with a fellow gardener who's tired of fighting the soil and ready to work with it instead. Let's grow better soil, one layered bed at a time. Let's grow better soil, one layered bed at a time.